St. Sophia Cathedral is located at the Architecture Art Square in Daoli district, Harbin City. It was built in 1907 and was designated as the fourth batch of national-level cultural relics protection units in 1996. After 1997, it underwent multiple repairs and was converted into the Harbin Architecture Art Museum. The exquisite charm of St. Sophia Cathedral permeates every brick and tile, emitting a European atmosphere from the inside out. It is deeply influenced by Byzantine architectural art, with a Russian-style dome, Roman-style arches, and a combination of various architectural styles. When viewed from a distance, the green, onion head symbolizes its unique character. The main dome, bell tower, and soaring spire seem to extend infinitely, as if piercing the sky. The red bricks, with traces of time occasionally, host a few white pigeons, creating a peaceful atmosphere.